Hey everyone, welcome back. Today question: after 4 years of engineering college, do you feel fully prepared for a real job? If your answer is no, you are not alone. And today I'm going to tell you exactly why. There are 7 skills that every company desperately wants from engineering, and your college teach exactly zero of them. Let's get into it. The reality check. Before I tell you the skill, let me show you what company actually is saying about fresh engineering graduate. The CEO of Siemens Canada said this directly. Students learn all the technical basis from a theoretical point of view, but they do not focus on practical implementation in the real world. And this is the global company hiring thousands of engineering every year. See, saying this look at this. 85% of employees now using skill based hiring. Your degree is no longer the primary filter. They want to see what you can do. And the final one, the entry level job we know in 2023 is gone. AI completely rewrote what company expects from fresh graduates. So the gap between what college teach and what companies want has never been bigger than right now. The 7 skill are: look at this, listen carefully. Personal communication, real world problem solving, teamwork and collaboration. Learn how to learn basic finance and business sense, a tool fluency and personal branding online. Now tell me honestly, does your college have a single subject on any one of this? Probably no. But every company hiring engineers in 2026 want all. Let me break down each one of these. Professional communication, and I know what you are thinking. I know how to talk, but that's not what this means. Can you explain a complex technical problem to a manager who has no engineering background? Can you write a professional email to get result? Can you speak confidently in a meeting without freeze? Can you handle a client conversation without panic? These are completely different from talking to your friends or answering exam question. Here is a shocking number: 75% of engineers got rejected not because of poor technical skill but because of poor communication. Your college spent 4 years teaching you thermodynamics and everything, but never one teach and how you to speak in professional settings. Start practically today. Explain technical things to your parent or friends who are not engineering. The one habit will change your career. The real world problem. Look at this comparison on the screen. In the college, the answer already exists in textbook. You have 3 hours in exam hall. You work alone. If you fail, try again next semester. Now real consequence. Now look at the real world. There is no answer book. You figure it out yourself. The system is down. Fix it now. You work with team under pressure. If you fail, the company lose money. Every single decision has real impact. College trains you to solve problems that already have solution, but in your actual job, nobody gives you the solution. You get a broken system at 2 in the morning and deadline at 8 a.m. The engineers who rise fast are the one who stay calm, think clearly, and find a way. You build this skill only by doing real project, not by sitting in lecturer. The skill 3 and 4, I am covering both together because they are deeply connected. Skill 3 is real teamwork and collaboration, not the fake group project in college where one person does everything. In the real company, you will work with mechanical engineering, software engineering, designers, finance team, and client, and all at the same time, all with different opinions, all under pressure. The engineer who bring people together understand the pressure of and different perspective and resolve conflict professional. That person get a promoted the first. Now skill 4, learn how to learn. This is honestly the most important skill on this entire list. The technology you learn in your first year of college will be completely outdated by the time you are graduate. Think about that. The tool companies use today did not even exist 3 years ago. Your professor probably has had updated the syllabus in 5 years. The engineer winning right now are the one who teach themselves new things every single day without waiting for anyone to tell them. Spend 30 minutes every day, learn something your college does not teach. That habit alone will put you ahead of 90% of your batchmate. Next, the skill number 5, basic finance and business sense. Now I know what you are thinking. I am an engineering, not an MBA student. But hear me out for 1 minute. Every single project you work on has a budget. Every decision you make either cost money or save money. Budget thinking means, can you estimate the cost of what you are building? ROI awareness means, can you explain to your manager why your solution is worth an investment? Business alignment means, do you understand how your work connects to what the company is actually trying to achieve? Most engineers never think this way. They just build what they told. But the engineer who understands the business side gets trusted and with a bigger project and get promoted twice as fast. Your college teaches you to design and build, but it never teaches you to think about impact. Start reading one business case study or startup story every single week. It will completely change how you think as an engineer. Skill 6, AI tool fluency. Look at the tool on screen. GitHub Copilot for writing and reviewing code. AutoCAD AI for designing automation. MATLAB AI for simulation. ChatGPT for document and research. These are the tools that engineering in top companies are using every single day right now. And your college still teaching the same syllabus for 5 years ago. Your professor has probably never opened Copilot. Now look at this number. Engineering with AI skills are 56% more. 85% of companies now want AI fluency, and demand for AI engineering grew 143% in just 1 year. AI tool fluency is no longer a bonus skill. It is a baseline requirement. The good news, you can start today. Install GitHub Copilot, use ChatGPT on your next project, try AutoCAD AI. You do not need your college to teach you this. You just need to start. Skill 7, Prof- personal branding and online presence. And this one surprised most students. Look at the scenario on screen. Two engineers, same degree, same college, same CGPA. They both apply for the same job. Engineer A has no LinkedIn activity, empty GitHub, zero project online, only a PDF resume. Employee B has 500 LinkedIn connection, 3 real project in GitHub, posted about engineering every week and has a profile website. Who gets the call? Every single team. Engineer B, because he circuit check your LinkedIn profile, then even open your resume. Your online presence is 24 hours silent resume. And here the best part, building it costs nothing. Just start posting one thing about engineering every week on LinkedIn. Document your project on GitHub. Share what you are learning within 6 months. Your online presence will open door that your degree alone never could. Action list. Okay. So now let's make the practical. Screenshot that slide right now. This is you to do task. Skill 1 this week. Practice explaining one technical topic to a family member who is not an engineer. Skill 2, start one real project, not a tutorial you copied from YouTube. A real project, your skill. Skill 3, join one hackathon, college club, or open source project this month. Skill 4, spend 30 minutes every day learning something your college does not teach. Skill 5, read one business case study or startup story every week. Skill 6, install GitHub Copilot or open ChatGPT to use it in actual project. Skill 7, update your LinkedIn profile this week and post one engineering insight. These are not big tasks. Each one task less than 30 minutes, but computed over 6 months, this will completely transform your career. So let me leave with this. A degree gets you the interview. This 7 skill get you the job and keep you going for the rest of your life. The engineering who struggled after graduates are one who only focused on marks and exam. The engineering who wins are one who built this real world skill while everyone else was just attending lecture. So the question is what you are going to do about this. Drop a comment right now. Which one of these skills did your college completely ignore? I genuinely want to know. If this video helped you, please share it with one engineer friend who need to hear this today. See you in next one. Thank you.